The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Moore, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Additional severe thunderstorms may develop to the southwest, near Newcastle. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Blanchard, Noble, Goldsby, and Stanley Draper Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 103 and 120. Interstate 44 between mile markers 102 and 113. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service.
Oh, so they both up in Canada.
Yeah, they just cleaned it.
Just a different parts of Canada.